Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we see how we can clean or maintain this Karcher surface cleaner. If you see, this is not spinning, so its nozzle it might be not working properly. There could be a dust inside. We can see how we can clean this. So let's do that. So this is not spinning properly when we put the pressure on with the water, and maybe these nozzle jets these might be blocked, so we can just unclip this from here and then we can make sure that it does not have any kind of dirt or mud inside, because when you clean the surface it can capture some mud or dust or some dust particles inside. So we can see how we can do that. So it's pretty simple. We take this off. Let's do that. So with the screw opener we can just open it, this one here. So I have already kind of opened, unscrewed. So we just do like this. We make sure. So this is also clean from downside. Usually there is no need to open this if you only want to clean this, because this was not cleaning properly. So I would just clean this. I will take this out. It is pretty simple. You can do with any kind of a screw, or you could just put it on a hard surface, and you can see that this has come out, and now you can simply take that out. So I just took these pins out from here, the nozzles, and now it's pretty simple. You can just pull these nozzles and you would see like this is just okay. So I took these out, and you can see how dirty these are. You can see like all the dust stuck inside, and there could also be like the mud inside. You can see like you cannot see through from the small tiny hole, and same is the case with this one. So that's why it is not getting the pressure completely. So we can take any kind of a needle and anything from which we can clean this. So let's do that. I'll use this small sewing needle, and I'll make sure like we can clean everything from inside outside here. And just because if there would be any dust particles or any mud or any other thing, that would be cleaned out. And let's wash it for one time and see. This is also a bit clean, so we'll wash from here and then we'll rejoin and see. It should be working fine. So let's do that. I'll wash it, and then let's see. So to see if anything is inside, so just clean this properly, and also let's clean this. So you see now it is cleaner. So just to make sure if these nozzles are damaged, then maybe you can buy it from Karcher website, or maybe you can order it from eBay or Amazon. So it's not that expensive, but just make sure that these are not damaged. In case it's damaged, you need to buy a new one, otherwise it's not gonna work. So let's join this first. It's pretty simple. We put it in here, so we can see the light through the hole. So we just make sure like it's pretty simple. Just do a click like this, and put this back from here, and that's pretty simple. And same with the other one. So we just do like this. That's it, and one click. That's it. And let's put this back in here. So yeah, like this, and we take this back with this one, and yeah, and just screw it tightly. So do that. Yeah. So now it looks fine. So now we'll put that back on and we'll give it a power supply and let's see how it's working. So let's see, we have fixed this and it looks fine, and let's see if it is spinning before we, yeah, it works. And let's put the pressure on and we see. So that was pretty simple. So this is how you can maintain your Karcher steam pressure. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.